name's McKenna.
And I'm Michelle. Today we're in Centennial Park in Sydney at the Carmichael by Pure Locations. Let's go take a look. This grand mansion is opulent in every sense. With the utmost air of elegance, this shoot location truly does uplift all productions. Large spaces, high-end furniture, bright natural light and endless indoor and outdoor options to choose from. The more you discover of the Carmichael, the more you're going to want to see.
This arts and crafts style mansion draws from its long history to deliver a timeless sense of charm. It was originally built in 1908 and extensively renovated in 2018, blending together all the glitz and glam of the 20s with the beautiful modern elegance of a contemporary style. With stone pillars, beautiful internal archways, soft light pouring into the windowsills, it has beautiful strong lines that continue throughout the home to deliver a timeless sense of style. The renovation brought in more contemporary touches, like the stunning metalwork in this bathroom. Every detail was thought through to create striking visual elements that did the rest of the home justice. The sheer amount of space in this location is astounding. With formal ballrooms, intimate alcoves, it is really a production location. It's also the perfect location for your next brand event. Moving outdoors, you're met with this beautiful Mediterranean garden. It's rustic and unkept and has a certain elegance to it. It provides an equally enchanting backdrop.
Just off the ballroom sits the separate wing of the Carmichael. With modern interiors and ample room, it provides a completely independent space from the main house. Upstairs, a bedroom, living space, and bathroom. Downstairs features a myriad of amenities, from the second full kitchen, ideal for catering, another bathroom, gym space, and even a mini ballet studio. Stepping through the garage into the den, up the secret staircase will lead you back to the main kitchen.
With endless interior areas, sprawling lush gardens, and incredible architecture, the Carmichael is a sight to behold.
We hope you've enjoyed this house tour. See you at the next one.